Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. It's cold out, so I think it calls for tonight a nice hearty soup. Love this recipe. It is a Moroccan soup made with chickpeas, crushed tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. So I am going to put all of our ingredients together, have our pot ready. It's a vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free soup, and everyone will enjoy it. Has wonderful spices with cumin and paprika in it. So let's get started. So the best way to get your soup started, prep everything ahead of time. Look at the ingredients that are listed down below. And we diced up our onions. We put them in with our garlic, with a little bit of oil into our Dutch oven. Dice up your sweet potatoes, have them ready. Your chickpeas, 2 cans of them, have them ready. The diced tomatoes. This way everything is all ready for when you're ready for it. You can add them in. So we're ready. We're waiting right now till the onions get a little translucent. The onions look great. So what I did is I took all of the seasonings, paprika, cumin, the cinnamon, and put them all into our little bowl. And they're all going to get sprinkled right into the onions and give that a nice swirl so that the aroma, the flavors of all of those spices come out. Give that a nice little spin. Now we add our 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of chickpeas, and our 2 sweet potatoes all diced up. One of the things you need to do is take that can that's empty, fill it up with water all the way to the top, and go ahead and add that. And that's our liquid into our soup. Give it a good swirl. Cover it for 25 minutes. We want the sweet potatoes to get nice and soft. So Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes. Okay, our sweet potatoes are nice and soft. They're just fork soft. That's how you'd like them. So we're taking our immersion. Now, if you don't have one, you can take half the soup and put it into your food processor, but you want to puree a little bit of your soup. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and just half of it. You don't want the whole thing pureed. So it should look kind of pureed like this, but this is not the final step. The final step is adding in a nice handful of fresh spinach, probably about 6 ounces, 8 ounces. We're going to turn our flame back up, push that down a little bit, and let it wilt. Then our soup is ready. Open that bottle of wine and get your table set. This is one of those warm your heart kind of soups. That is one beautiful Moroccan sweet potato soup. Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of cilantro and give it a little hint of lime. Just a little squeeze of lime in there. Serve it along with a nice piece of bread and your glass of wine. Enjoy. The recipe is down below. Please click that you like. And this is from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Perfect for that cold winter night. Enjoy.